right, there's our corner stake. We want this just far enough inside both ways so that we're not on the nape. Buttons aiming to the outside of the fence. This is the long run that goes back up the mountain. All right, got that down to the 4-foot level. We had some rocks to go through. So that doesn't make any difference. Just square that post up, and with the braces, it'll never move when we get it braced here. Okay, with all corners, all corners. You got a horizontal brace and you got an angle brace. Okay, now we want to keep our line straight and tight. So we're going to hook this back up so that we are setting our next post in line with the fence. Okay, so grab a post, Jeffrey. We're on that one. We're going right to the bolt on the hinge. And right in there and about a half inch away from the wire. Okay, this has an uphill slope, and that's why we have these adjustable braces, is because if we put this on, this distance is shorter than if it was level. So we've got to have the adjustable brace to go shorter and make this fence corner strong. Okay, always. Your angle brace goes in first. So we're going to put it on, and then we can adjust to get the distance that we want. And so we're going to put it on right there, a couple inches above the ground. We want this end to come in right about here. Just tighten up so that that's below the level of those buttons, and then they won't slide up and down. All right, we're ready to drop in our last bolt. Again, get it where the knob catches up bolt so it can't get back together. You want that corner post to be leaning out about an inch, because then when that wire tightens, it will take up a little bit of slack. Okay, and this one. We want it right about there. That's the other end. Okay, we like everything like it is. We're going to tighten all these up. Okay, so now we've got that adjustable angle, keeping our fence just perfect, going up a slope. All right, we're getting laid out here to set this corner on a downhill slope of probably 1 foot in the 5-foot length of the horizontal. So we've got our screw gun, we've got our nuts and bolts, we've got our adjustable brace, and we have our straight horizontal brace. So we are going to line this up and get ready to set this corner. All right, our very first step is to figure out where this is going to be our brace post. We need to get it set exactly where we want it. So this is going to go on the post and snug that there nice and tight. And then following the fence line down, we are going to put our brace post where it centers right on the little nut. So it's going to lay there. We're going to center this right on that nut in the joint. Now we know exactly where to put that brace post.